Remove the case cover and the yellow insulation sheet. Remove communication panel. Release its interface and flexible bus bar. Remove the PCB clamping strip and shield from the box. Loosen the baffle screw. Remove the fuse and baffle. Thoroughly clean all items inside to ensure the cavity is clear. Attach yellow insulating boards to the inner walls of the box. Fully cover metal contacts to prevent leakage. The battery must be installed with strict adherence. To the positive and negative electrode sequence. Lay black EVA foam at the designated positions inside the box. To enhance battery pack buffering and insulation. Install the front baffle. After tightening the screws, tighten the screws on the baffle. Pull on the battery to check if it is secure. Then, install the fuse. Attach EVI foam to the specified position. Negative pole is connected to PCBA. Positive pole is connected to PCB. Install and lock PCB clamping strip to secure PCB. Place the flexible bus bar. Use torque wrench to install flexible bus bars on battery cells. Ensure tight, firm contact with battery terminals. Use torque matching value, 4 to 6 Nm. After installing rubber pads on the 4 terminal posts, proceed with the assembly and tighten the screws. Remove protective film. Install screen. Connect the interface behind the communication panel. Install the flexible bus bar. Check the torque indicators. For the flexible bus bar connection, use torque machine value 4 to 6 Nm. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the battery pack. Insert the black wire harness into the black port of the PCB board and the white wire harness into the white port of the PCB board. After confirming the wiring port is correct, press the screen switch to check the display status. Once verified, tighten the screws on the communication panel. Install dust-proof nets on side vents. Fire extinguisher wiring path. Secure with a strap after fixation. Trim any excess binding straps. Lay the insulation board at the specified box position. To provide secondary insulation for internal components, close and lock the box cover.